welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we are stuffing my first paycheck of March, and it was a pretty decent check. If you see my budget with me, then you would know your girl only got $86 back from her state income tax, but I ended up using that a part of my paycheck, which was $1,070. So we will only be stuffing my cash envelopes and my 100 envelope challenge today. So let's do our calculations to see exactly how much we will be stuffing. So we have 128 plus 48 plus 50 plus another 50. So we should be cash stuffing $276 today. So I have the cash right here. So let's count it and make sure. And as you see, my setup is a little bit different. I'm trying to figure some things out on if I want it like this, if I want to keep it this way. I don't know. I just feel like it's so, like, I don't know. We're just going to try it this way for this video. If I like it, then I'll do it like this all the time. If I don't, I'll go back to the old setup. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150. So that's 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210. So 210. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, we have our 276. And let me go to my trackers. And let's jump on into it. So I already filled them all out. So in gas, we will be taking out what we had in there. And I have started using my credit card for gas, and then the gas that I stuff, I pay it towards my credit card. So that'll be going into extra, and gas is getting 30 again. Spending got nothing last. Stuffing, and it's getting 20. I think I did 2 10s. No, 10 and 2 5s. So we have 10, 15, 20. All right, beauty is getting $3 because it is a low priority. So 1, 2, and 3. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 76 in beauty. Car is next, and it will be getting 15 because I do need to start bulking this up because my tags come out in June. And here in Wisconsin, I hear other places they're like $50, like cheaper than that. Here in Wisconsin, ours is like $140, $150. So in car, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, and 70. In car. And plus, I got to get my brakes done, but this is going to be nowhere near enough to get my brakes done. So I'm probably just going to do it that my income tax. Christmas is getting 3. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. 116 in Christmas. Emergency is getting its normal 25. I don't know. Yeah. So now we're at 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. So we're at 235 in emergency. Extra, I finally put all of it in the bank after all this time. But extra will be getting the 30 plus an extra 25, which is what I budget for. So in extra, we have 20, 40, 55 so far. So we added 55, and I guess I should, I don't know when I took it to the bank. So we're just gonna say, cross a line there. Okay. So I had to switch home from a high priority sinking fund to a low priority because I am going to be traveling again. So home is only getting 3. 1, 2, and 3. So now we're at 20, 30, 40, 50, 20. Okay, let's start over. All right. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. 80 is a decent amount to like buy some pictures or something to put in my room. I always like to do like a little vision board and get that printed out. That's enough to do that. Am I going to do it? Probably not, but it's enough to do it. So I'm getting 15. And now I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. I'm making good progress on my envelope. Especially since my parents aren't helping me like they're helping my sister. And my brothers just told me the other day that I'm the favorite. And I mean, I ain't gonna deny that I'm not. But just to know, like, oh, y'all, y'all think that as well? Like, I mean, of course, I'm supposed to think I'm the favorite. But I guess I am. I'm pretty popular. So my sister has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has $209 in her envelope. I think I am going to have to do a condensing because her envelope's getting pretty thick. Medical is only getting 3. So now it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y'all need to let me know if y'all like washing y'all bills or something, that y'all be getting them all crispy, or is like y'all bank actually giving y'all crispy dollars, because my ones and all my bills are raggedy. So school is only getting 3. Now I've been thinking about starting my swim lessons back up, but I haven't messaged her or anything, so I don't know. I'm so indecisive at this point. School has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71. So we're at 171 in school. And subscriptions I haven't taken out yet because they're technically not due yet. And we will be getting 3 because at this point in my hair we're semi starting over to save again. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 84. And then travel, our last envelope is getting the last 10 and a 5. So now we're at 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we're at 218 in travel. Okay, so we're done with all our sinking funds. Yeah, it's getting hard to close this. Look at that. You see how thick that is? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that together. But we're going to stuff my challenge. So we're going to go to where it's located. And we're going to do 24. Which is 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So 48. In there. And then we're also doing 25. Which is just a 50. See, this is nice. Like, this was hot off the press. Like, this one is good. The rest of them, trash. But 25 is got 50. I really want to count this up. Maybe I'll do a calculation one day and see. So we have done 24. Oh, what's happening? We have 24, 25, and then we also did 25 here for our emergency. So that's it for my cash stuffing video, you guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video, which will be my savings challenge video. And I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys over there. Bye, you guys.